Hello kids! Today we are going to learn alphabets with animals. Let's start!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alligator. A is for alligator. Bear. B is for bear. Crab. C is for crab.
Deer,
D is for
deer,
elephant. E is for elephant.
fish,
F is for
fish,
giraffe. G is for giraffe. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Horse. H is for horse. Iguana. I is for iguana. Jaguar. J is for jaguar. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo.
lobster,
L is for
lobster,
monkey. M is for monkey. Nimbat. N is for nimbat. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Octopus. O is for octopus. Penguin. P is for penguin. Quail. Q is for quail.
rhino, R is for rhino, squirrel, S is for squirrel, tiger, T is for tiger, unicorn, U is for unicorn,
V, W, X, Y, Z.
vulture, V is for vulture, whale, W is for whale, extrafish, X is for extrafish, Y is for yak, zebra, Z is for zebra,